Bit of a wet Friday morning.
Yes, and it could be a bit of a wet Friday afternoon, could be a bit of a wet Friday evening as well. So this rain chance is going to be with us throughout the day. There's a low that's weakening, but it's migrated up into about the Hermiston area. And then later today, going into early tomorrow morning, it's going to track up to about Olympia. And as this takes place, it's just pushing or pulling the moisture that has stayed east of the Cascades all week, finally back here to the west side. Now, I don't think this radar picture is going to change much today, meaning there's a chance of some rain in Salem, but this is mostly Portland up to the north. It could absolutely be a steady rain throughout the day if you folks watching us up in Cowlitz County. And we're starting to see a little bit of pickup in Clatsop County up around Astoria and Long Beach. Here's just the radar itself. Raining throughout the Columbia River Gorge this morning. So there's the Dalles. Good morning. And then up through central parts of Washington. No storm threat. And while I suppose it's possible, especially if you get up into Longview, rain rates will pick up. Here in Portland, we expect this to be mainly just light rain. Rain possibilities look to be maybe a quarter of an inch of rain when you get north of Vancouver, more like a tenth of an inch of rain or less when you stay here in Portland, and probably dealing with more close to a trace or barely more than that down in Salem. So far, it's been raining for a while. We've just picked up manageable rainfall, just 0.01 inches in the gauge out of PDX, and about the same out through the Dalles. This, of course, does end what had been, as Drew mentioned earlier in the show, more than 3 weeks of no rain. So that part of the story is terrific news. Of course, we have Fleet Week going on. We have the clouds. We have the light rain in the city. 57 degrees is the temperature in Portland. It's 54 down in Salem. 50s up and down the west side. 62 out in the Dalles where we've had some rain falling overnight. 63 degrees is the number out in Pilton. And here's Futurecast. Again, this looks at 8 o'clock this morning. Very similar to the actual radar that I showed you, right? It doesn't change a whole lot this afternoon. It does pull some rain along the Cascades down toward the Bend area. And then again, Salem kind of on the southern edge of rain possibilities. Here we are this evening at 9:30. And then here we are, you wake up tomorrow morning, the rain area is starting to shift up to the north, cloudy skies to start. Of course, tomorrow's a Grand Floral Parade Saturday. This shows clouds when the parade starts, but dry weather, then developing sunshine as we go into the afternoon hours. Here are the temperatures today. With the clouds and the rain, we'll be in the 60s here on the west side of our state. And in fact, as you look at 60s out east as well, I do want to point out, heavy thunderstorms burns Baker City, this part of our state. Flood watch is up for the potential of torrential downpours for you folks today. Here's the 7-day with the developing sun tomorrow. Will warm well up into the 70s. I still have us in the 80s on Sunday. Mostly sunny after early clouds, near 90 on Monday, then cooling back down after that. It's a Friday morning with rain coming from the sky. We'll be back in a moment.